It's Monday the 22nd, I'm FX Plu and this is CurrencyTransfer.com's market update. And the headlines today are that sterling is facing significant pressure, the midterms dominate the dollar, and Italy and the ECB is likely to drive the single currency. So in the UK, both sides of the Tory party appear to be uniting around Theresa May. Unfortunately for the PM, both sides seem to want her removed from power. Her offer to extend the transitionary period was fairly well received by Brussels, but it seems to have also fallen at the first hurdle back home when it's transpired that it also included scrapping the backstop over the Irish border. Sterling staged a late rally on Friday, largely driven by rumours of a major concession from the UK, but the weekend papers were full of rumours of a leadership challenge coming as soon as Wednesday. We'll have to see how well that affects sterling, but there will be increased volatility expected. Politics is definitely going to be the main driver as the week kicks off. Over in the US, with the midterms getting ever closer, Trump remains confident of the result. Domestically, he has mentioned further tax cuts could be announced before the election. And overseas, he's been talking tough over the journalist's death in the Saudi embassy in Istanbul. And while the Saudis have been trickling out different versions of the story about how he died, but with the truth yet to fully emerge, there's little the US can or will do, given the commercial relationship they have with the Saudis. The other main issue on the international scene for the US is their plans to pull out of the nuclear disarmament deal they have with Russia. This is dampening risk appetite, and this obviously drives safe haven currencies higher, like the Swiss franc and the yen, who benefit in times of risk aversion due to their stable economy and budget surpluses. Over in the Eurozone, the ECB meet this week. Draghi's forward guidance has all but confirmed Eurozone interest rates will remain unchanged for at least another year or so to allow the slower growing economies time to recover. Also very likely to be discussed, albeit behind closed doors, will be Italy. While Brussels mulls over how to rein them in and deal with their budget, the Italian government continues to ignore the very real financial problems they face. They had a downgrade by Moody's on Friday, which has called into question the ability of a number of Italian banks to shore up their already weak capital base. Nevertheless, the euro rallied on Friday into a weakening dollar, but the euro does remain under pressure this week. Euro dollar touched a high of 115.35 on Friday. And if you've got any questions, pop them in the comments below, please. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.